Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srivshi and I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and many more. So in this video I'm gonna be shared this look, this classic smoky eye look. So if you want to know how I'm creating this look, you just need to watch till the end. So yeah, without talking too much, let's jump into the video. First I'm applying a primer to make my skin smooth and then applying a foundation with the help of a brush to all over my face. Then blending the foundation with the help of a sponge. After that, applying a concealer to highlight high points of my face and blending everything nicely. Then to set my high points, I'm applying a loose powder and removing excess product. Doing my eyebrows in off camera and then applying a concealer as a eye base and also sharpening my eyebrows with this. Blending this eye base with the help of beauty blender and then setting it with a loose powder. Starting my eye look with a kajal. Applying this kajal only in my crease line. Taking a smudger brush and smudging in upward direction, just like this way. Then taking a black eyeshadow and applying over this kajal to intensify this black color. Then taking this brown shade and applying over this black eyeshadow and blending this very slow. Especially in this eye look, you need patience, so keep doing it and blend everything very slowly. Then taking these two color and applying top of this brown color and blending everything together. In the waterline, applying a kajal and smudging it with a smudger brush and applying a brown eyeshadow and smudging everything nicely. Then highlighting my inner corners and brow bones with the help of a highlighter. Also you can use any golden shimmery eyeshadow as well. Then adding a good coat of mascara and also I have done my another eye. After that, for contouring, I am using a cream contour and applying this in my jaw lines, nose and forehead and chin area. blending this with the help of blending brush and then applying blush on my cheekbone and nose area. For the lip color, I am using two brownish nude shades and mixing it together. After that, applying highlighter on high points of my face and then setting my full face with a setting spray. So here is my full look. I'm really happy with my look. So let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not. So yeah, that is all about my video. So I think this video felt helpful to you all. If it is, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'm super active there and I will provide all the link in my description box. So bye for now. See you in my next video so soon. And yeah, stay healthy and stay positive. Bye.